Welcome back, guys. We're still on properties of triangles. This is the sum of angles quiz. Let's get started. The three interior angles of a triangle are x, 2x plus 30, and 3x plus 60. What is the value of x? Okay, so let's sketch our triangle. I always find it useful to have a picture. Illustration is really important. You know, it just gives you another sense for what you're doing. It's a visual sense, right? So we have one angle, which is x, another angle, which is 2x plus 30, and then a third angle, which is 3x plus 60. And what do we know? Well, we know that angles of a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. So let's sum them all. We have x plus 2x plus 30 plus 3x plus 60, and this all equals 180. Let's combine like terms. We have x, 2x, and 3x, which can combine to make 6x, and we have 30 and 60, which can combine to make 90. So we have 180 equals 6x plus 90. We can subtract 90 from both sides, and we'll have 90 equals 6x. And now we can divide by 6 and have x equal to what? Well, divide by 6 goes into 9 one time, 3 left over, 5. So x is 15. What is the value of x? The value of x is 15. Great job. All right, next problem. If angle ABC is 50 degrees, BAC is 60 degrees. All right, so we might need to, so we see this angle is equivalent to this angle and is equivalent to this angle, which is equivalent to this angle x. So we have angle ABC is 50 degrees. ABC, so this is 50 degrees. BAC, B to A to C, is 60 degrees. And CDE, C to D to E, so this angle is 35 degrees. What is the value of CED, or angle X? Alright, so how do we solve this problem? We know this is 60, 50, and 35. If you can hear my dog barking in the background, I apologize. Someone's out walking him right now. Alright, so let's clear this board. Let's zoom in on this picture some. Again, we know that this angle is 60, and this angle is 50, and that this angle is 35. The sum of a triangle, so this angle here is what's missing. So we know that 60 plus 50 plus the missing angle needs to equal 180. 60 plus 50 is 110. Subtract that from 180, and we're left with 70. So this angle here must be 70. Because of vertical angle theorem, we know this angle here must also be 70. And so to find this missing angle x, what do? Well, again, the sum of a triangle's angles are 180. So 70 plus 35 plus the remaining angle equals 180. 70 plus 35 is 105. Subtract 105 from 180, and you're left with x equals 75. Very nice. Great work. In the diagram above, angle BAC, this angle here is 24 degrees. Angle ABD, so this angle here is 32 degrees. Oh, I'm sorry, this angle is 36 degrees. And angle BDC, so this angle is 32 degrees. What is angle ACD? So it's asking for which angle? It's asking for the angle on this outside here. That's the angle we're looking for. So how can we figure out this angle? This problem might be a little bit tricky. So what can we do? Let's think. 24 degrees, 32 degrees. How to find this angle? Here, let's zoom in on the picture sum. Let's erase what we have. We know that this was 24, 36, and 32. If we connect B to C, does this help us? It kind of looks like these would be isosceles, but I don't think no, they're not. Well, I guess they could potentially be. They're not, because this angle here needs to be equivalent to 24. And it's not. It's 36. And we don't necessarily know that cutting this here would make this 24 and this side 12. So again, we're after this angle. We want to know what this value is. What am I missing here? What if it was a full triangle? Maybe this is how I should be thinking about it. Yes, this is the key. Let's see, if this was a full triangle, we have this to be 36. We know this part is 24, and we know this part here is 32. But what are we missing? We're missing this side, this A, and we're missing this part. So what can we do? Well, we have 36 plus 24 plus 32, and then plus what's missing. So what's missing, I'm just going to put it here in this X, and this X represents both of these angles I have highlighted. I don't know their individual values, but I know their concatenated values, or I can solve for their concatenated values. And again, what does it equal? Well, this is just one triangle, so this should all sum to 180 degrees. Okay, so if I solve for our missing angles, or if I solve for our X, what do we have? We have 36 plus 24. Well, this is 60. 60 plus 32 is 92. and then we subtract 92 from 180, and we are left with x equals 88. So these two cantaloupe color angles sum to 88, which means this last angle, the angle we're looking for, needs to be 180 minus 88, which would be our 92. And so I'm saying this angle C is 92. Awesome. This problem took a little bit of thinking time, but that's all right. So sometimes you just have to think through the problem, think about what you know, think about what you don't know, and whenever we made this into a full triangle, it became clear that that's how we could best solve for this angle here. All right, good. That was a fun problem. Let's continue on to the next one. That triangle, that line almost still fits. All right, let's see. If angle, and let me change colors, get a nice eggplant color. If angle ADC equals 79, ADC, so this angle is 79, EAD equals DAC, and ACD equals DCF. And I believe those are labeled. So ADC equals 79. Yes, and these are both labeled. Okay, ADC, this angle is 79. And one last time, what was the question asking for? What is angle ABC? All right, angle ABC. This is what it wants. So we need to find both angle O and angle X. Maybe. Well, actually, let's think about this for a second. What do we have? Well, we have this triangle, and by this triangle I mean triangle ACD. This triangle I just outlined, its angle sum, its three angles are 79, X and O. This is an O, not a 0. And they equal what? They equal 180. Here, I'm going to make this a Q just so it's not confusing. 79 plus X plus Q is 180. And what else do we have? Well, we have that this missing angle is going to be 180 minus 2O. Or if we changed it to Q, then 2Q. And this missing angle here is going to be what? It's going to be 180 minus 2x. And then this angle, which we're looking for, is going to be finally what? It must be 180 as the sum of the whole triangle's angles minus 180 minus 2q, and then again minus 180 minus 2x. So this picture is getting a little bit busy, but let's distribute and then we'll clear our board. So we have 180 minus 180 plus 2q. So what's happening? This 180 cancels with this one. We have a positive 2q. And then what do we have? We have minus 180 plus 2x. So we have this angle here equals what? Well, it's a negative 180. Well, first of all, it's a positive 2q. It's 2q minus 180 and then plus 2x. So this is this is this value b. Okay. So I'm not exactly sure if that's going to prove useful, but let's now think about for a moment what we have. Well, here we have, where does this 79 come into play? This must be key. This must be key. Oh, I see. Let's subtract. So our most important equations here are which ones? We have this 2q minus 180 plus 2x, and this 79 plus x plus q equals 180. So let's do some erasing. Let's clear up some of the board. Let's make room. So how are we going to solve this problem? And I hope you guys are beginning to see it. Again, this angle here is 79. So what we can do, we can subtract 79 on both sides of this, and we're left with x plus q equals 180 minus 79, which is what? It's going to be 101. So we have x plus q equals 101. And so how can we use this down here? Well, let's move this 180 to the other side. So we have 2q plus 2x equals 180. Whenever let's erase this, so we moved it to the other side. So 2q plus 2x equals 180. Actually, let's not move it to the other side. We're just keeping it here for now. So what do we have? We have x plus q equals 101. So if we double both sides, what do we have? Well, we have 2x plus 2q equals 202. So we have a 2q and a 2x here. So what are we left with? We have 202 minus 180 equals this missing angle. So 202 minus 180, what does this equal? This equals 22. So I'm saying this missing angle is 22. All right, that was a fun problem. That was a lot to think about. This has been a good quiz so far. What's this last problem we have? If angle BCA equals 104, BCA, that's 104, and angle D is 59, that's 59. What is angle DBC? Angle DBC. So the angle in question is this one here. This is our unknown x. Well, how can we solve this? Well, this one is fairly straightforward, especially after we did those previous ones. This other side, this angle here, must concatenate with the 104 to form 180, right? 104 plus our missing angle C equals 180. So our angle C must equal what? Must equal 76. And then this B must, so we have x plus 76 plus 59, and this has to sum to 180. 76 plus 59 is what? 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 carry a 1. 7 plus 5 is 12. That extra 1 is 135. So 135 plus x equals 180. So what can we add to 135 to get to 180? Well, we can add 45 degrees. Submit. All right, correct. This was great work, everybody. If you have any comments for me, if you like some things I taught you, if you hated things, if I went too fast, if I went too slow, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe. Please like this video if it was helpful. Until next time.